As a gay man, I am so embarrassed by this pride flag and what it's turned into sensationalism. While I appreciate the symbolism of the rainbow flag, it seems I've seen it one too many times. Don't mistake this for a coming out announcement. There's no need for a teary-eyed video for that. Surprisingly, you might find it interesting that I sometimes feel embarrassed to be part of this community. I acknowledge the progress we've made from the times when non-heterosexual individuals faced severe scrutiny, in extreme cases, were even killed. I myself was a victim of a brutal homophobic attack in 1989, assaulted by 5 students in my high school, which was a clear hate crime. However, times have changed, and parades and pride festivals have turned into this whole show which is about sensationalism and exploiting our children, exploiting people's bodies. When I came out, you were gay, straight, or bisexual. There was no A, B, C, D, what the heck? Now it's the whole alphabet. Letters are being added daily. This pride flag is considered null and void because now they've added more colors to it. They've added black for Black Lives Matter. I think all of this is important. Whatever happened to one flag, like the American flag, with 3 colors, red, white, and blue, that symbolizes the heart of Americanism? However, no hate crime legislation existed at the time to offer me any protection. While I feel safer walking down the streets today, I fear we have moved beyond acceptance to a point of aggressive indoctrination. You might be surprised that a gay man is saying this, but I feel it needs to be talked about. I believe it's time to say that these pride parades have become an unsettling spectacle. What started as a peaceful and accepting space has turned into a showcase of overt sexuality and fetishes. Nowadays, the Pride Parade doesn't seem to represent peace, love, unity, and tolerance. It has become synonymous with hyper-sexualization, fetish displays, and provocative acts. I miss the days when our mission was to inspire self-acceptance and peace, even with those who disagreed with us, not to parade around like ostentatious peacocks. With that said, I found an organization that I resonate with, Gays Against Groomers. Although I may not like the name Gays Against Groomers, this group opposes the sexualization, indoctrination, and medicalization of children. I admire their dedication as a group comprised entirely of gay people, whose sole mission is to protect children from abuse. Unfortunately, they face significant challenges, including being banned by PayPal and Venmo, and recently Google, all because they're accused of being anti-trans hate, or what is referred to as transphobic. All these terms, he, she, they, them, what the heck, did not exist when I came out. It wasn't about people kicking and screaming and fighting in the streets. It was peaceful, honest, sincere, and heartfelt marches. This is why I, Dennis Schleicher, have decided to use my YouTube platform and all social media platforms. Yes, I used to be an LGBT advocate, fighting for rights of marriage equality, and that for all Americans in the U.S. However, I have changed my direction. The car that we drove when I got my license in the mid-'80s hopefully isn't the car I'm driving today, or else it'd be a pretty good antique. So the antics that are used to promote this propaganda is scary. And I support those who no longer choose to sell things that contain the rainbow flag on it. I choose those who choose to ban Pride Month because it's become way too overpowering, way too sensationalized, and that's not what the gay and lesbians that I know want to be treated as. Furthermore, I am embarrassed, I am humiliated to call myself a member of the gay community because of the actions of people that are a lot younger, that don't understand what we went through to fight for their rights and freedoms, and they're taking it all away from us. I am humiliated at what they're doing to our children, our youth. The mind isn't fully developed until it's 27 or 28 years of age. The fact that children want to be mutilated in their teens breaks my heart because this stuff is irreversible. It cannot be reversed. It causes so much psychological damage in their later years. Why mutilate children? Why drag queens use children as a form of entertainment when they don't have the agency to choose?
I'll change.